It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Hey YouTube fam, it's your girl Leah back again with another video. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we're just going to be going through my summer crochet hair options. Now, I recently got a question on TikTok, what are your summer hairstyle recommendations? And I was like, I don't think I've ever made a video on my summer hairstyle recommendations. Now, you guys know every year I do make a water-friendly crochet hair options video, and that's for hair that I recommend for like beaches, vacations, and all of that. But I don't have a general summer, and I look at the general summer different than I do like a vacation type of a situation. Summer, I think of hair that is comfortable, it's stylish, it's length appropriate, it's breathable. Breathable being highly key, because we are not even fully in summer as I'm recording this. As I'm posting this, I think it should be after Memorial Day. Like the day after Memorial Day is when I have this slated. So we right on top of summer, but we haven't even got there yet, and it's already highs of 80. And I'm like, it can only get spicier, hotter as we go in through the summer. So breathability is going to be high in the options that I give you. Length is going to play a factor into it. So today's video is going to be every hair that I recommend for the summer and why. Again, I'll let you know if it's water friendly, but I don't think this video is really geared towards water friendly. I have a whole, again, video dedicated to that. This is just every single day. I live a sedentary life, you know, going to work. What hair do I need on a hot Tuesday in the office, or a hot Tuesday spinning around the block? What do I need? These are what you need. When I think loose crochet hair, my first thought is always going to be Freetress Beach Curl. Again, I sound like a broken record. I gave myself 2 more times that I was going to be able to mention that hair this year in terms of a compilation video like this, but it does hit so much. I swear I'm probably going to mention it again. I can't help but mention it because it hits all the factors. It's very breathable. Your scalp is going to be able to breathe because it's not a thick hair. It's a very thin hair, but a hair that really works. It's a great length option as well. It's not hanging down your back super long. I know they do have a longer option. I'm going to suggest the shorter option for the summer, again, just because it's going to give you that comfortability. It's going to give you stylish, but at the same time, it's going to give you easy access to your scalp with that hair. And I'm also going to recommend the Amazon Goddess box braids in this. Same deal with that Freetress Beach Curl. It's an appropriate, I think, length for the summer, easy to install, and you don't have to sit in a chair for 8 hours in a salon and get your regular box braids. You can have the ability to play around with this for a few weeks. You only want to wear it for 3 weeks. You don't feel bad about taking it out early because, again, it was very affordable. At the same time, it didn't take you that long to get it installed. So always going to go up for those Goddess box braids. Mini twists were huge last summer for the summer for a lot of people doing it on your own hair. I think this summer is going to be about doing mini twists on, you know, crochet hair as an option. What I was thinking about doing this year, I was going to do a mini twist style, but then have some of my hair left out. So like doing mini twists crocheted in throughout the back and then doing mini twists themselves on the front. The issue is I'm having a hard time finding a hair that blends with my own hair. Of course, the mini twist option I've been reviewing are, you know, synthetic hair. So with synthetic hair, you get the color that they give you. I will say Crochet Braids Plus has a lot of varieties of options of mini twists. It's still, with all the options, I haven't seen anything that looks exactly like my own hair so that I could play around with that. But mini twists, again, length good, comfortability of scalp good, maintenance good. Maintenance on all 3 that I've listed so far is really good. You don't want a high maintenance any time of year, but summer specifically. Summer is hot. Summer is, you know, you want to be outside, you want to enjoy the day, you don't want to spend the day inside dealing with the maintenance of your hair. I'm going to throw this in here, and I debated because I was like, it goes against my length rule. It's the Boho Locs Majesty twist hair. It's long. It's kind of like the passion twist and all the twist styles that are popular in the summer. You're probably like, Leah, I thought you said you won't like everything you've been listening is kind of short. So we want short for the summer. I can't think of a season I would want to wear this other than summer, spring though. Like this is a look, and I love the look, but I think it works very well for the summer. And it's not the same as a loose crochet hair that would be super long and down your back and back. The twist of it, I think, does give your back some, you know, my back shouldn't be super sweating. If I had a long, you know, bust down length of the Freetress beach curl. That's a loose hair. It's gonna be on your back. This hair, it's not loose, so I don't think you have that element of the sweatiness and the hotness of your back. It's just a perfect overall summer look, because I don't think it's not to say it's not a winter look. You can wear, you know, Majesty twists, mini twists, anything really all throughout the year, but I think the perfect season for these Majesty twists would be the summer. Another cute summer style, the Lulutress Braid Out hair. Love that from a length perspective. I've gotten a lot of mixed reviews on my review of that. A lot of people have not loved it. I don't know why I liked it so much. I'm not a huge Lulutress fan. You guys know I'm like 50-50 on the hair that I would like from them. I like their island twist, which I think island twist would also be a good summer style, the Lulutress island twist. So I think those two would be good. But again, I think they have others and I'm like, no, it's not a go. But I think that braid out length, breathability, and cuteness all packaged into one, perfect for the summer. Same thing with those island twists. Next, the Rastafri Tahiti curl. I think that looks like my wash and go. That looks like my wash and go on me. Like, I love it because it's so natural, while at the same time being a good length, while at the same time being summer appropriate. People will just think that I did a wash and go on my own hair, like I do most summers. They're like, oh, okay, she back in her wash and go season. It's no longer silk press season, it's wash and go season. But I'm fooling you because it's crochet. I don't want to have hair down my back, and I say that, and you probably will notice my next hair, it will probably be a wave. It will be a genuine long wave. I have been dying to get, I'll insert a picture right now of what I'm seeing myself as. The wave, I've been editing some videos lately and I have just been falling in love with the wave. And you guys know it's not going to last long. It's going to be high maintenance. I only plan on wearing it for like a couple weeks. But I don't recommend this for anybody else for the summer. It's going to be warm. It's going to be toasty. Again, I'm doing it just for a cute little vibe. I have an event that I want to go to and I just want a cute little, it goes with my outfit. It goes with my outfit. Don't judge me, but don't you do no long wave. If you're going to do a wave, do like a short bob of the ocean wave. Do a short 8 inches of the ocean wave. A lot of people love that. I'm not a huge ocean wave fan, but a lot of people love that for the summer. Don't get you no long 20-inch. Don't do it. Don't you do it. And then last but not least, the Rastafri Dream Romance curl. Breathable, cute, short, length appropriate. This probably should just be it can double as my summer options, but also the people who watch my videos who always ask me for short hair options as well. It's my summer and short. There are people who watch me and know I do a lot of long. And so my audience is like, I get warm easily. I'm getting up in there in age. Heat flashes, all these things happen. I got you. This video is also going to be for like, you don't want all that hair. And I get it. The summer, you don't want all that hair. Like me right now, I got 18 inches. You saw the install video. This is 18 inches, so they say. But I think it's cute for the summer. And I think it's overall giving like a, summertime vibe. This is listed down below in the description box. This is the Coily Q 3C for a human hair option that I have right now. I think it would be summer appropriate as well. I didn't put it on this official list, but I give it a summer rating for me. But overall, those have been my summer recommendations for you guys. I hope this video was helpful. I think summer is a perfect season for protective styles, even if you weren't a protective style wearer normally. Like, I get a lot of people who watch my content and say, I only do crochet hair in the summer or vacationings. I have a friend who only does crochet hair when it's a vacation. She's a habitual straight natural, and that's how she wears her hair. For you guys out there whose summer is probably your time to explore, and you'll be back to your, silk press season in October, November, I think I got you. I got you covered. Just try it for a few months, give it a go, and then go back to the land of the silk presses. But for me, crochet hair is a year-round thing, and I love it. So if you want to see this year-round crochet hair content amongst other things, make sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell on so you can stay up to date when I release new content. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Lia Lavon 89 to keep up with my shenanigans in real time. TikTok at Lia Lavon, which is a few more shenanigans, a bit more real time, and I get to answer questions like these for you over there. And you can see the shorter form version of this video. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.